guys, welcome back to another video. So this is just a little bit of nail mail, just a couple of little things to keep me going. I'll start with this one. And these are all from Shinties. So we have Cotton Candy, which is a beautiful pink. It's like a baby pink. It's really pretty. We have some Soft Nude, which is beautiful. We have some Love Hearts. And then in this one, we have some more No White Matte Top Coat because I go through a ton of this. And then in this one, we have some speckled blue and black. And then a speckled pink. And then last but not least, we have two of Shinty's new ink colours. So I've got Aria, which is a nice gold one. I don't think you'll be able to see much of it obviously with it being in the bottle, but we went for a gold and the silver one. So I can't open this one. There we go. So as soon as my nail room has been updated, because I'm in the middle of doing it all up, I'll probably pop all these to show you them. But that was just another quick video, guys. Thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye for now.